Comparative form of adjectives. Comparative form of adjectives. Ekisingako. Ekisingako. Hello everyone and welcome. And in this video, we are going to talk about comparative form of adjectives. Okay, and if you're new to this channel, here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Please note, an adjective is a word that explains or describes more about a noun or pronoun. Nakawongeza linnya ke kagambo akongera okuwa amakulu ku linnya. And if you didn't watch my video about adjectives, please view the video above. Okay, let's start. Comparative is a form of adjective used to compare two things or people. Comparative, it means a form of adjective used to compare two things or people. Nakongeza linnya eno egeraageranya ebintu oba abantu babiri. Nakongeza linnya eno egeraageranya ebintu oba abantu babiri. It shows that one person or thing demonstrates a more quality or in better place than the other. It shows that one person or thing demonstrates a more quality or in better place than the other. Eraga nti omuntu omu oba ekintu ekimu kisingako oba kiri ku ddaala lya wagguluko okukira ekirala. Eraga nti omuntu omu oba ekintu ekimu kisingako oba kiri ku ddaala lya wagguluko okukira ekirala. Note, comparative form is used for two things or people. Please note, it is used for two things or people. Eno nakongeza linnya eno ekozesebwa ku bintu bibiri oba abantu babiri. Ekozesebwa ku bintu bibiri oba abantu babiri. Examples. Ebyokulabirako. The adjective is big. So, adjective, we have big. The adjective is big. And big in Luganda is ekinene. Ekinene. So, the comparative form of big is bigger. Bigger. Ekisingako obunene. Ekisingako obunene. Example 2, the adjective is small. Small. Ekitono. Ekitono. The comparative form of small is smaller. Smaller. Ekisingako obutono. Ekisingako obutono. Another example, good. Good. Kirungi. Kirungi. And the comparative form of good is better. 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 Ekisingako obulungi. Ekisingako obulungi. Okay, let's have some few examples such that you further understand the comparative form, how they are used. The elephant is bigger than a lion. So remember we said in comparative form we compare two things. Tugeraageranya bintu bibiri. So in this example, the elephant is bigger than a lion. It implies that enjovu enene okusinga empologoma. Enjovu nene okusinga empologoma. So the comparative form of big changes to bigger since we are comparing two things, the elephant and a lion. So bigger is the comparative form used. The next example. Nakato is smaller than Rema. Nakato is smaller than Rema. Nakato mutono okusinga ku Rema. Nakato mutono okusinga ku Rema. So the comparative form is smaller, coming from small as the adjective. So smaller is the comparative form since we are comparing two things, Nakato and Rema. There are two people, Nakato and Rema. Nakato mutono okusinga ku Rema. Okay, the next example. Anne is better in netball than Dorita. Anne is better in netball than Dorita. The comparative form here used is better. Better. Since we are comparing two people, Anne and Dorita. And this in Luganda is Anne mulungi mu kubaka omupiira okusinga ku Dorita. Anne mulungi mu kubaka omupiira okusinga ku Dorita. Okay, hope you've got something. We shall continue on in the next video with superlative form of adjectives. Remember, we learn with ease. Bye bye. Weraba.